First ranked match of the night. Yes. We're doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video. I want to see the deck list. See the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the frames. Round 1. Dude! I'm just gonna banish it with one of these guys. Tracer. I'm trying out Dragon Links. I think I'm comfortable with it. Let's give it a shot. Tracer, Striker effect, add, boot, could go like that. Yeah, let me. Or Legacy Guard Dragon, yep. Special summon. What's going on? No. And then let's go Romulus. Romulus effect. Add the Ravine. I'm gonna have to get rid of Phantasma then. Activate the Ravine. Activate effect. Send. Discard. To the graveyard. Absol Router's effect. Ooh. I think I'm gonna make it. So I get recharge you? I already dumped. What's this called there? I think it's recharger. God damn it. Shit. Oh, I still never normal summon. That's crazy. Special. Banish. Let's go. Oh man, I'm gonna have to discard a card with Brotar. Let's go Pisty. Right here. Unless I could special summon, but nah. Can't be used for a link. Nope. Legacy Guard Dragon. Move it over here. And I could use Alpha's effect because there's 2 arrows pointing here. Let's go for Darkness Metal. I don't even know what board I'm gonna end with. Darkness Metal. Special bag. Tracer. I need to make space here, so I'll go for a Erratic Seal. Heavenly Spheres. No. Banish. special, the black, go for Pisty. There. Special summon. I'm gonna run out of time, god damn it. Might as well, let's go for, I think I'm gonna do Fantastic. I won't even have a card to discard instead. God damn it. What the fuck? Son of a bitch. Fuck. I'll go first. Come on. Hurry up. Yeah, let's quick launch it. Quick launch. Quick. Don't time out this time, god damn it. Hey, what's up? Trying not to screw up here. No. Dumping to the graveyard. Yep. I think I'll do chaos space. Banishing Striker Dragon. He's got an Imperial. He's got an Imperial. Him. Yeah, he's got no gear. God damn it! It's okay. That's okay. I'd actually go for Chaos Ruler. Activates effect. Let me get Nintendo. MC's nah. What do I got? One negate with hot red. Reinforcements of the army. It's elemental heroes. Ah, Phantom Knights. Woo! Then he can still do something else. Hot red negate! I think that's why people don't use Dragon Link, because they just time out. What is this? Wait, what? Ah, come on. Bruh. Does he have game here? Of course, the access code. Or the birthday Dragoon. No! Oh, it's gonna pop everything now. Why? You could have just popped them with the Dragoon. You're gonna... Should have popped them with, what's it called? Dragoon instead of decreasing its attack. Oh, but then he wouldn't gain the attack. I think that's game. Oh no! Ah, good game. Lorenzo wins because Let's Duel timed out game 1, taking forever. God damn it. Shh. 12:48 now. Where were we? 13:12 to 12:48. What? Comment, share, like if you sub it, so if you liked it. See you guys.